Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how to log in into your UnitedHealthcare account. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. Before I show you the steps, hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for UnitedHealthcare login just like this. After you search for it, the first option where it says myuhc.com, click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of your UnitedHealthcare. From over here, you can see the returning member or new member. If you want to create an account, you want to click on this. But we want to log in into our account, so we will click on sign in. Once we do that, it'll take us to the login page of UnitedHealthcare. So wait for some time until the page loads up. Now once you're over here in this page where it says username, you can just enter the username of your account. Where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on sign in. And if the username and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your UnitedHealthcare account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.